Hello everybody, now I am conducting class 7 geography class. Again I am repeating, now I am conducting class 7 geography class. Already we have started the new topic, that is almost we will pack it up because almost it is the end of the topic, and we have started already. Descriptions have done up to third desert we have described, coastal plains described. Only left that is the islands. Which part has left? Islands. So today we will do chapter number 7, India physiographic divisions, and we will do the last part, that is about the islands. Okay, again I am repeating, today we will discuss about the islands. So islands, we can see that, as I said last class also, India is a diversified country. Diversify in the term physiographically, we see so many divisions. We are getting the northern ice-capped mountain. In the north, in the south we can get the Deccan Plateau, like the Peninsular Plateau. Then we are getting in the east, we are getting the extension of the northeastern mountain Himalayan range. In the northern plains we are also getting western part, we are also getting the third desert. Now the coastal areas also, that eastern coastal plain, western coastal plain. Now the most important thing what we will learn, the islands. Islands means, you know that which are called islands? Yes, many of you know. Island means the area surrounded by the water, like the Andaman Nicobar Isles, Lakshadweep. These two are the very important part of our country. And the Lakshadweep island is situated in the Arabian Sea. Where it has been situated? In the Arabian Sea. And it is considered as a coral island. Which are coral polyps? Last year we have learned from Australia, yes, coral Great Barrier Reef, that the coral polyps means that the molecules, okay, the particles of that coral bodies that accumulated together, and these kinds of island, Lakshadweep, Laksh means Laksh is a kind of coral, and when it has been accumulated, then these kinds of island has been created. Can you imagine, so many coral polyps were there for creating, for building up such kind of an island. Okay, so these islands are hardly, just I want to learn, just listen to me. Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea are group of 36 coral islands. Okay, they are located off the coast of Kerala. Some of these ring-shaped islands with fringing coral reefs are called atolls. Atolls means what? The small particles of these molecules. Okay, molecular coral polyps, atolls. Okay, these are the living organisms. These islands are hardly a meter above sea level and hence are under at the threat of being submerged in the sea. So almost this island, you can see that Lakshaminika island, you can see that if you open the YouTube, you will see so many kinds of expeditions continuously happening over there. Even from the pictures you will get from NASA, the typical atoll shaped island, and that is very important, especially biodiversity. For maintaining the biodiversity is really very important to maintain the balance of the earth. Okay, because lots of amounts of transfer, what just not only depending particles are there, many kinds of biodiversify organisms are there. Okay, so for that organisms, biodiversity means various kinds of organisms, various kinds of living organisms will be there, and that help to maintain that balance. Here we can see that here it has been maintained. Then Andaman Nicobar Island also, it is lying in the Bay of Bengal. They are a group of 324 islands that are volcanic in nature. Yes, very important thing. The Andaman Islands are separated from Nicobar Island by the 10-degree channel. Indira Point at Nicobar Island is the last point of India territory. Barren islands in the Andaman are volcanic island which spew out gases stream from time to time erupted in 1991. This is, we have learned about volcanicity. This is actually dormant island. Okay, still last eruption has been taken 1991, but it may taken later on, not, we don't know, but perhaps the possibilities are there. Okay, so India as a geographical unit, how much important? Definitely it is very important, because northern, if you learn the, already you have learned the pages, I think I have sent through the link. So you learn that people, lifestyle of the people are changing now from area to area, like northern mountain, how they are maintaining their lifestyle in northern plains, we are living a different lifestyle. If you go to the South India, you will see simply different lifestyle. In the coastal region, simply different lifestyle. Then huge difference if you will go to visit this Andaman Nicobar Isles or Lakshadweep, because Andaman Nicobar Isles Jarvas are there. They are still now try to be developed, try to we are trying to highlight them, but you know they are still now at that kind of age. Okay, like they are still now in that age of like the first iron age or second phase of iron age, like that they are still leading their life like that. So it's our duty now to protect them from any kind of distractions or any kind of mishaps. Especially India is a geographical unit, is very important, because third is a simply different lifestyle, but still we are united. Still we are united. Now in the lockdown period, everywhere people are locked down. It's nothing that northern mountain people are surrounding here and there. We northern plains only maintaining this. If any kind of threatening will come, we are united. And that we will prove. How much we are disciplined, we will prove that. And we are in a chain. So to break the chain is doesn't mean for only for this pandemic we break the chain, but our unity will not break. Our unity is there, so we all are following the steps as government detected, because that is safety for us. We all know the pandemic, about this pandemic. So it's really as a geographical unit, it's really very enriched, very enriched. We are getting the agricultural products, we are getting the mining products, industrial products, every kinds of things, forest products, fishing product. So this is really an enriched country. So today we have done this topic. I will send you the pictures of this topic. You will learn it. But one thing I observed that today I have to share. Jishan, I hope you are listening. Utsav, Afsar, Jia, please send your copy. I want to check. Send your copy through dpsj helpdesk@gmail.com and address to me. If you will not address me like dear mom and not specify the subject, then it's really very tough to check, and you will not get any kind of reply. Without any failure, send your copy. You know how will you send? Again, I want to tell you that if you have written all the answers, take the picture using cam scanner or simple mobile, then it will ultimately it will be saved to your my document file. When you will open, definitely you will open your parents Gmail. If you will open your parents Gmail, you will see a sign like gems clip. From there you will click. Then you will see the option my document camera, from where you will select the file. You will click my document. From there you have already taken a pic of that copy. You select that two pictures, then send. But before sending, at the heading you will give dear ma'am, geography chapter this 1-2, because you have not sent anything, chapter 1-2, send it to me. So whose copy I really want to check? Jishan, send your copy. Apsar, Utsav, Ripon, send your copy. Anirudra, I want to see your copy. Send it to me. I want to see, because it will good for you. Otherwise, the work will be really very pressurized. When school will reopen, how many things you will note down? Okay. Maulik, I want to see your copy, dear. Please send. So send your copy. Everybody send your copy. But these people first send the copies. Okay. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Click the down arrow. From there you will get the pictures of this chapter. Bye. Stay tuned and be healthy.